Well, this could change everything for the Bitcoin price moving forward if this one signal in particular does in fact flash, and we need to discuss this. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So before we get into talking about this indicator, signal rather, that nobody else on YouTube is going to be showing you, what I want to do here is just talk about the Bitcoin trend for a moment. If you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that over the past several weeks, I have seen growing potential for further movement to the downside. And it was all predicated upon the fact that, hey, this could wind up turning into a very potentially bearish head and shoulders pattern here. And depending upon how you draw this, it's actually possible that we've already broke through it. Now, as you can see here, we still are seeing the Bitcoin price finding at least micro support in my green box range of historic confluence here. That's why for me, even though yes, this weekly time frame bearish head and shoulders does look like the neckline could already be broken, for me, folks, I'm going to chalk this one up to being a little bit obscure, and I'm actually going to give more credit and put more weight on this neckline here, this whole green box range, as the neckline of this pattern more so than the upward sloping one. And the reason for that is because if we do drop through here, which the bottom of the range for me is about 38,000-ish, if we are to drop through there, not only has the pattern seen a breakdown, but we are also losing this key horizontal range of potential support, which for me, as you should all know, would be an absolute warning shot fired. And at that point, if we take the measured move of the pattern, which would be the neckline to the top of the head, drag it down to the potential breakdown point, you can see this pattern does have the potential to drop us deep down into the crypto abyss, maybe even into the 10,000 or below range. This is not doom and gloom. That's just the size of the measured move. I'm not saying it has to happen there. Of course, we do have potential support down between basically 31 and 28K as well. And hypothetically / theoretically, we could / should find some macro support down at about 20K because it was our old 2017 market cycle high, a multi-month / multi-week resistance here in November of 2020, and this could act as a potential bottoming point again for Bitcoin. I just wanted to point it out that right now the market is very doom and gloom, and it seems like everybody right now is extremely bearish. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know that generally doing the opposite of the herd can reap rewards, right? I mean, not always, but it's a general rule of thumb that following the sheep is not always the right play. Sometimes looking for a contrarian view is exactly what you're looking for. So this next indicator here isn't so much for the doom and gloom potential downside, because I believe that I've outlined my case strongly for what I'm waiting to see here to increase the probability for further downside action to occur with the break of this horizontal range here between 42,000 and 38,000 roughly. So this indicator here is actually looking for where we could potentially find a bottom and when / if things could actually begin to turn around in a big way for the Bitcoin price. So let's get into that now. If you'll notice here, the candles on this chart look a bit different now, and that's because I switched over from the regular candlestick chart to the line break chart. Now, folks, this is on the weekly time frame. Very important to keep it on the weekly time frame here. And I'm actually going to flip it over to the logarithmic scale just for ease of visualization here. Now, there is a fractal going all the way back to the first chart data that we have here for Bitcoin, dating all the way back into 2011 here on my chart. Now, this is one of the most interesting fractals I've ever seen. And the success rate of this fractal historically has been absolutely uncanny, one of the best of all time. And quite frankly, no one is going to be showing you this here on YouTube. So what I'm going to ask you for right now, before I even show you what's so crazy about this and how it could be potentially setting up here again, if you could, for the YouTube algorithm, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all, as this is the most realistic and most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin uploads. So let's start all the way back in 2011. We'll just run it forward. Key thing to understand here is we're looking for when the red candles down stop and when we get our first green candle painted. And I just want you to notice the success rate of continued upside action after this occurs. So here we are, first green candle in 2011, bang, absolutely ripped. Right after this one, first green candle, ripped. 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 I mean, folks, if we go through all of these, I mean, you can see just how absolutely insane here. I mean, sure, they're not all perfect, right? This one here, you did have an extra week of upside and then it continued to dump down. But I mean, just take a look here, folks. The success rate, in my opinion, is unbelievable, even up to the most recent one we had back in July of 2021 as a bottom reversal pattern, right? So if we go into the current day here, you can see that we still haven't found a green reversal candle here yet, even with the upside action that we've been seeing over the past week or so. So folks, right now, in terms of what I'm really looking for here, for a potential bottom confirmation for the Bitcoin price would be for this on the weekly time frame line break chart to finally paint a green candle here, because if we do, even if it's short-lived, right? Even if it's short-lived, it's very possible, in my opinion, that we could see a nice pump. I mean, that one right there, folks, from the entry point was over an 80% plus move to the upside. Let's get this crypto. So I just wanted to point this out for you guys, as there really, right now, in my opinion, isn't much to talk about. Bitcoin is still consolidating. In my opinion, we're just waiting for a huge break either to the upside or to the downside. And if we are to finally see Bitcoin get a nice strong bounce off this range, you better watch out for if we paint a green candle here on the line break chart, because folks, I just showed you throughout history. I mean, what do we have? Basically one or two occurrences that really didn't do well for the Bitcoin price. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results, but the probability on this has been extremely high. Is it going to continue moving forward? Only time will tell. I'm not saying that it has to, but from a trading perspective in this game of wild probabilities, for me, this is something that I am really paying close attention to. Even look at this one right here. I almost forgot to circle this one. Just even off that single candle red to then green, that, my friends, in and of itself was over a 30% move to the upside. So watch out here. Weekly time frame line break chart. My friends, leave me a comment down below and just say thanks for the line break chart. Thanks for the heads up, Kirby. Thanks for the signal. Thanks for whatever. It helps the algorithm. Share this video with your friends. Share it, because I want others to see it and understand that this could potentially be one of the largest Bitcoin bull signals of 2022 if it plays out like it has in the past. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, a thumbs up for the algorithm would be extremely helpful. Thank you for that. Subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Let's get this crypto. If you're not already in my VIP and you'd like to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that, as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again, then ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, folks, if you're interested in my VIP, do not miss my next real-time important VIP trade setup idea and alert. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, folks, I really hope you enjoyed here today, and I hope that you enjoyed the line break candlestick chart on the 1 week time frame. Will we wind up getting that green candle on the weekly here, and will it propel the Bitcoin price further to the upside, or are we not going to see one here, and are we going to take a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss? Only time will tell. I know I will be watching this market closely, like a hawk with an eagle eye, preparing to potentially crush this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can and potentially get this crypto. So folks, on that note, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. Leave me a comment down below. Do you think it's going to be painted, or do you think we're going to crumble into the abyss? Let me know with a thought down below. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.